Today we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This vehicle has done just over 82,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and our keyless ignition. On our screen we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration and connect, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.